Good day. Hope all is well. Welcome to the patch. As you can see, I have my patties here. I am making Salisbury steak today, and so I am going to start by seasoning my patties, all four. And of course, I am using the same seasoning that I did before. All right, y'all, so I am going to start by spraying a little bit of Pam into my skillet. It's the exact same one that I used last time. I'm gonna get a little spatula here. Put them in there. And then, like I did the roast, I'm just going to sear them on both sides, and then I will check in with you once I am ready to put them in the oven. Those are over there cooking. I am going to line my pan as I did last time. This actually helps with the cleanup. So once all the food has been eaten, it won't be such a mess to clean the pan. And so I'm just gonna line this down just to make sure it is all covered. And again, this makes the cleaning process so much easier. Okay, y'all, I am almost done with these bad boys. And I did not share with you what I did with all this goodness left over in the skillet, but I am going to show you how I turn these little scraps into some fine wine gravy. These in the pan here, I'm going to sit these on the counter and look at what we have left. Just these little scraps. And so I'm just gonna pour some water in here. I'll be right back. Okay, this is what the water looks like here, and I'm just going to pour this over my patties here. I'm gonna place them in the oven as well. So we have a little bit more left. I'm just gonna place a little bit more water in here. Take my spatula and get the rest of that out there. Alrighty, I've also diced up some onions. So I'm just gonna put my onions in there as well, just like I did the roast. You can see my seasoning still on here, and that's just fine. It can go in there too. All right. Okay. More of a gravy mix. I did the exact same thing for roast. He loves his brown gravy, so I want to make sure I have more than enough for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my oven so that I can put these bad boys in. All right, y'all, so we also did some fried potatoes. I'm about to take it out the oven. Let's see what we have. It is looking good. Let me put it on the plate. Okay, just gonna take one here, plate it on the potatoes. Ooh, look at that gravy. I know my husband is going to be happy. He loves thick brown gravy. So I'm just gonna pour this on there like so. All on the potatoes. And I know he is going to love it. But that's what we have. Bye.